That's not clear. Matter as such is substance. Because for Aristotle, for example, matter is an abstraction in a sense. So, but matter for us is always with form, some sort of form. So chair, we have chair which is made up of matter, but it's not matter as form as well. And wood is matter obviously, but it's not just matter, it's form as well. So pure matter is an abstraction. That's the first problem. And so he makes a claims about matter, substance, but then goes on to substitute matter for substance, but substance and matter are not the same thing in this context. That's the first problem with this quotation. Now, second problem with this quotation is that it starts with the theory of relativity by merging time into space has damaged the traditional notion of substance. More traditional, by which I mean by which I understand, broadly Aristotelian, Lockean, Cartesian conception of matter, which I just described in a very layman term. But traditional notion of substance is not common sense. So that's another jump in the argument. The first jump is from substance to matter. They are not the same things. And traditional notion of substance to common sense. They are not the same thing. That's the second problem with this argument. So matter for common sense is something which persists in time and moves in space. Persists in time. Moves in space. Not matter. For example, a matter for Aristotle, for example, matter is an abstraction. It can't move as such. And matter only moves because it acquires form. And that's because matter is potentiality in a way. Potentiality to acquire form. And that's how this potentiality can become actuality. But that's why there's a movement. Because matter as an abstraction from all forms is a potentiality, pure potentiality. And when any mover moves it and gives it form, it becomes actual. And the movement is because of the gap between potentiality and actuality. And not because something which persists in time and moves in space.